Hey everyone, this is Ryan with Stock Trading and Investing 101, and I just wanted to say one thing before we got into the video. I wanted to thank everyone for the support that everyone's been showing lately, and wanted to remind everyone to please hit the subscribe button and like the video. It really helps the channel and helps the YouTube algorithm find my video. So let's jump right into this. Okay, it's that time of the month again. Thanks for checking in. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like the video. Today we're doing my dividends received for August. As many of you know, I'm a long-term dividend growth investor. I've been investing for nearly 2 years now and focused mainly on receiving dividends and cash flow. Every month I record my journey, my dividends received. I record some of my trades, new positions, things like that. So check out my other videos for sure. There's a lot of good stuff on there. So today we're going to start with my stash portfolio. I have different portfolios with Stash, M1 Finance, Robinhood, and Webull. And together I add up all my dividends to find out one number. And so on Stash, the first dividend received is from AT&T for $2.62. Then we have General Motors for 22 cents. We have Raytheon for 8 cents, CVS for 13 cents. These are bonds, so the Uncle Sam and the junk bonds, these are just bonds. So for a total of 14 cents between those two. Then we have Lowe's for 3 cents, General Dynamics for 9 cents, Sunoco for 68 cents, Abbott Laboratories, this is the parent company of AbbVie. So they have been around for quite a while in the pharmaceutical field. Received 4 cents from them. Then we have AbbVie for $1.21. I've been somewhat buying AbbVie heavily. As many of you know, there's a lot of issues with their patents and a merger possibly coming up. So there's a lot of negativity priced into the stock. And because of that, I've been taking advantage of buying that. Next we have Apple for $1.10. Hormel for 16 cents, Procter & Gamble for 18 cents, Caterpillar 32 cents, Starbucks 40 cents, Slow and Steady, this is a monthly paying ETF, I believe it's the SPLV ticker, for 58 cents, and Simon Property Group for 12 cents, for a grand total from my taxable stash account of $8.10. Next we have Stash Retire. This is all stocks that are dripping, so all these dividends are being directly reinvested back into the company that paid them. So the first dividend is AT&T once again for $3.96. Then we have General Motors for 20 cents, Raytheon for 13 cents, Verizon, this is a great telecom stock, for 31 cents. Then we have these bonds again for 9 cents total. Lowe's for 11 cents, Sunoco for 42 cents, AbbVie for $1.96, Apple for $1.25, Hormel Foods for 22 cents, Procter & Gamble for 39 cents, Caterpillar for $1.31, Starbucks for 70 cents. This is also something I'm building a position on slowly but surely. I think Starbucks is a really good company, and I think they're going to continue to grow in the future. Then we have Citigroup for 5 cents, and Slow and Steady again for 9 cents, for a total from my Stash Retire of $11.19. Next we have my M1 Finance Dividend Growth Portfolio. This is a company made of all dividend growth stocks that have a long history of growing their stocks. The first dividend is General Mills for 95 cents. Then we have UVV for 85 cents. Air Products and Chemicals for 35 cents. Apple for 53 cents. Clorox for 59 cents. Hasbro for 42 cents. Hasbro actually recently just acquired Death Row Records, which is pretty cool. It kind of diversifies them. They're in a lot of toys and collectible cards, and now they also have a record. So it's nice to be diversified for them, and they're a really great company. We have Procter & Gamble for 88 cents, Realty Income for 33 cents, Clorox for 45 cents, Caterpillar for 51 cents, Starbucks for 44 cents, and BMO for 34 cents, for a total of $6.64 from my M1 Growth account. Next we have what I call my M1 Other. This is just two different portfolios that are relatively small in size, that are just kind of holding a couple of stocks, mainly holding Realty Income and SPHD. So in total from Realty Income I received $1.39, and from SPHD I received $1.56. SPHD is an ETF that pays dividends every month, and it follows the S&P 500. Next we have Robinhood. This portfolio is the one that is being changed and updated the most. I was holding many more stocks in my Robinhood portfolio and have already cut about half of them out, and I'm continuing to cut stocks out. So pretty much every month that I'm posting this update, you'll probably see less and less stocks in the Robinhood portfolio, and I'll tell you what I'm doing with this right after I tell you the dividends I received. So first, from PIMCO, I received 11 cents. And keep in mind, most of these stocks are paying dividends every single month. So this isn't a quarterly dividend, this is a monthly dividend. And then we have JQC for 10 cents. I'm selling covered calls on Ford stock, and I'm adding that into my dividends because I sold dividend stocks to build this position. And it is kind of passive income for me. So in Ford calls, I received $4. AGNC received $1.60. DIV, this is an ETF, paid 31 cents to me. Whitestone REIT, 19 cents. Cross Timbers Royalty paid 20 cents. HRZN paid 10 cents. Stag Industrial paid 12 cents. This is a top of the line monthly dividend paying stock, along with O here, which is Realty Income, paid 23 cents. Apple REIT paid 20 cents. Then we have the Gladstone investments, so Glad and Gain paying 33 cents combined. We have CLDT for 33 cents. BlackRock Corporate High Yield for 14 cents. We have CLM. This is a very high dividend paying closed-end fund. Closed-end funds are essentially just funds that are managed, and this particular one pays a very high dividend yield. So from them I received $7.80. Gain for 21 cents. And ORC for 24 cents, for a grand total from Robinhood of $16.21. And so currently what I'm doing with this portfolio is selling AT&T covered calls, and that's where a lot of the other stocks that I sold those to buy into AT&T. And currently I'm not counting my covered call income from AT&T, which I think I'm going to start doing starting next month, because it is somewhat significant in the scheme of things, and it is income for me, and so I'm going to start counting it. And lastly, we have Webull for SPHD, 15 cents received. Apple REIT, once again, for $1. AGNC for $4.16. And MORL for $1.81. This is a mortgage type of ETF. They pay a pretty high dividend yield. So for a grand total of $52.21. This is probably the smaller end of my dividends received, and that's why I think I'm going to start adding the AT&T covered calls, because before I transferred the money into AT&T from other dividend stocks, it was around $75 a month. So I think if I add in the income from AT&T calls and also the dividend income I'll be receiving, it should about equal everything out, and I like AT&T as a stock a lot more than a lot of these monthly paying stocks. So that's the video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know how much you guys received in dividends if you're a dividend investor. If you have any questions about any of these companies or any stock related questions, definitely feel free to comment or ask me. And we'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching the video.